Hello, this is Hipnozer again. So once we have talked about the concept of towers of infinity, we can go further and define the nihilistic absurdism as a whole. Okay, so these are the topics we're going to talk about today. What is absurdic nihilism? Absurdic nihilism is a connection of nihilism and the absurdism as explained in the previous two presentations. And here are some basic pillars of that movement: Greek mythology, Georgias's thesis, existential roots, the works of Albert Camus, questioning reality, Nietzscheanism and Schopenhauerism, philosophy of Kierkegaard. And here we have some sort of philosophical triangle connected with the topic. It contains those three words. And the universe from that triangle can be conflicted and irrational, which is connected with the other two words. Now, if we talk about questioning reality, the movie Matrix has to be mentioned here. And it makes us ask a question if it's possible to create a universe that is not conflicted. Well, yes, but this is the world many people don't want to escape to. So the electronic devices can be a tool for creating worlds, but what are the consequences of such action? Okay, now we also have a concept of wand of creation. Now, in detail, we talked about creating worlds in infinity towers, and we don't need to do it here. Most of those concepts were there, if not all. Okay, here we are showing that aiming for imperfect idea can be a trap. So we aim for the situation where the ideal is equal to the opposite of ideal. So here we get a situation where ideal is zero, so the set of ideals is essentially empty. And as we said earlier, we want to fill the void. That's why we talked about the world creation process. So that's not what we aim for. And therefore we should aim that the ideal is closer to perfection, so that then we subtract ideal from both sides, and we have equation that always works, which is a better outcome. Okay, so we have an idea of philosophical equation. We'd like to introduce it here. So basically that's a sum of ideas, and the ideas together form a philosophy. Okay, here we have an attempt to negate the nihilistic absurdist philosophy, and that ability was successful, which resulted in the creation of rational creationism. So, from the absurd worlds, we did create a reality that makes sense, and the outcome makes sense as well. Now, computers, for example, are often in a world that is utterly chaotic, but the mechanisms ensure that even though there is chaos and randomness around the computer still works. Okay, so this will be all for now. Thanks everyone for watching.